This is November 27th.
Sure.
The puppies are 23 days old. 24 days old. They're playing all the time now, as you can see. They like to bark and play. We have visits, first visitations on Sunday. Three puppies this morning walked from their sleeping area, which my son has the blanket up, it goes down, but from their sleeping area over to their potty area over on the right over there, on the potty pad, and went pee. Did you hear that, JC?
Uh-huh.
They went from the sleeping area, they walked over here, went pee, and walked back.
Oh, Jared's
I know, your
area.
feet is in the pee area. Nice, Jerry.
Just get off, Jared, please. Just.
And the puppies like to play. Puppies. Jared, stop that, please, so I can videotape. Jared. All right. It's going to be a short video today. Bye.